Jump rings. First of all, I need to know what's the inside diameter of my jump ring. So if you want it big, so the stick that you're going to use is going to be the inside diameter of your jump ring. So it's all about how thick you have the wire and how thin. So now I just choose this size, so one of the needle files. This is really nice size for jump ring. And then now I'm just holding one edge and I'm just wrapping it around, but has to be really straight and close together. The size of the wire in this point is 0.8 millimeters. And then I'm just doing this. I just wrap how many jump rings I needed to have. Take it out. And now the other thing that I'm going to use is some snippers to cut out the rest of the wire that I don't need. So I'm going to cut it out, so otherwise it's gonna be really sharp. And then now, one really easy and nice way to make jump rings, I'm going to have masking tape. And what I'm going to do, just cut a nice small piece, and then I'm just going to put it into the middle, and then I'm just going to create that. So in this case, I'm going to hold it from there, so it's going to be steady, because normal is I'm not able to hold the whole bunch of jump rings. And then what else I'm going to do, I can cut it from outside in. That's a normal way, but now I'm going to show you how else you can work it out. So you unleash the top side, put through the saw blade from your jump rings, secure the top side, make it tight, guitar sound. And now I'm just holding the masking tape, and now I'm just going carefully up and down with my saw blade, and I'm going to cut the whole all the jump rings. And now carefully take it out. And we have a bunch of jump rings, really nice and quick. And that's the way that you make jump rings.